Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqmal Hakim Adalatif. Today I'm going to talk about how we have where we taken this data, and we taken the data from from the Yahoo Finance for the Apple closing price market. Okay, the um, the information in the table, which come from Yahoo Finance, shows a stock closing price over a 10-month period from June 2024 to March 2025. Each number of X between 1 and 10 represent a distinct month. The closing price of the stock for that month is indicated by the function fx. The stock begin from 210.62 US dollar and fluctuated throughout the term, peaking at 250.42 US dollar in month 7, which is in December 2034, and then settling at 222.13 US dollar in the last month. This data set represent overall market pattern over this period and show the monthly fluctuation in stock value.
View of the model that we tried in this assignment. So the first overview is linear least square model, which is the model equation is fx equal to a naught plus a1x. So next, we how we get the method is firstly we use the normal equation, which is show uh, in at number 1. And then after we enter the number into the calculator, uh, we get as number 2, which is sum of x equal to 55, sum of x square equal to 385, sum of y equal to 2308.33, and sum of xy equal to 20,866.11. And then next we enter the sum of x, y, x square, and sum of xy into the normal equation. And then we will get a value of a naught equal to 219.48, and a1 equal to 2.064. And then we enter we enter the number into the equation, which is fx equal to 219.48 plus 2.064x.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairi Daniel, and I will present for the next type of method that we use, which is the quadratic least squared method. For the quadratic model, the general equation of this method is fx equals to a naught plus a1x plus a2x squared, which is it is degree 2. And so the metric equation for this quadratic model is as shown as the presentation. So we will use the calculator by inserting our value of x and y from the data that we obtain, and then we will get the value of a naught, a1, and a2. And from the value that we get, we will insert it into the general equation, so that we will get the equation of this quadratic least squared model by using the data that we get. We will get fx equals to 199.157 plus 12.226x plus minus 0.924x square. That's all for this method. We'll continue with the next method.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fazal Zikri bin Muhammad Sidi. I will present the final method, which is a reciprocal quadratic least square model. So first, the reciprocal quadratic model equation is 1 over y simple ax square plus b. So next we compare it to the general linear equation y simple a naught plus a1x, which one is y simple 1 over y, x simple x square, a naught simple b, and a1 simple a. Next, using a normal equation shown in the number 2 matrix, then we use calculator to calculate, same as for the number 3. And next we get for the a naught simple 4.43x87 times 10 power by negative 3, and a1 simple negative 2.5207 times 10 power negative 6. So we get the a naught and a1 into the equation 1 over y. So the 1 over y simple negative 2.5207 times 10 negative power negative 6 x square plus 4.43x387 times 10 power negative 3. So the final equation is y simple 1 over negative 2.5207 times 10 power negative 6 x square plus 4.4387 times 10 negative 3. So that's all from me.
So firstly, this is a table for linear model. By using the equation of the linear model, so we get the stock market and stock prediction market price and square error, which is stock market price minus by stock prediction market price and square it. So the sum of the square error is 815.519. So this is a linear least square model graph by using Excel. And then we get quadratic model table. Also same like linear model table, we use the quadratic equation, and then we get stock market price and stock prediction market price, and then we minus it. And then so we get the sum of stock market square error is 364.822. And then we get the graph for quadratic model. And then lastly, for reciprocal quadratic model table, we use stock market price, and then we use 1 over y, and the stock prediction market price and square error. And then we got the sum of square error is 997.881. And then for reciprocal quadratic least square model graph, we get like this. So that's all.
Last but not least, conclusion and suggestion for potential improvement. In conclusion, this project provided valuable insight into the application for the curve fitting techniques on real-world data. By analyzing stock market prices over a 10-month period, we explore three different models: linear, quadratic, and reciprocal quadratic. Among these, the quadratic model proved to be the most accurate with the lowest sum of square errors. It successfully captured the slight non-linear trend in the stock prices, which the linear model could not fully represent. The reciprocal quadratic model, while mathematically valid, did not suit this data behavior and resulted in the highest SSE. Through this assignment, we enhance our understanding of the least square method, model selection, and error analysis. For further improvement, we suggest using more data points and exploring additional models such as cubic or exponential fits to potentially increase accuracy and gain deeper insight. Thank you.